All right, if you would like to study triplets in the form of a groove pattern, then you are watching the right video because this is the triplet groove drum lesson. And if you like this thing, remember to like and subscribe to be able to come back every Tuesday for more content just like this. I've taught well over 1,000 drum lessons to people just like you, and I can show you too. I'm Gabriel, and you're watching the YouTube channel of DrumTipTuesday.com. Okay, so getting into this thing here, we're going to take 5 easy steps to get some triplets in here. And actually in the notation, which you're going to see right there, is it says 6 above the beat. 6 divided by 2, 3. There's 2 sets of triplets. It just looks a little cleaner when you write a 6 above it. For our purposes today, it's still a triplet groove drum lesson. Taking a look at the first 2 beats, all right, we're going to have some fun with paradiddles. We need 6 notes on every beat. Paradiddle takes up 4 of those beats, and you can see the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th notes of beat 1 and beat 2 are a paradiddle with the right hand playing the hi-hat and the left hand playing the snare drum. In the first beat, what we're going to do is just do a kick on the first set of the grouping and a kick on the last, and then the second beat, snare on the first and snare on the last. So kick, paradiddle, kick, snare, paradiddle, snare. Sounds like this. All right, step 2, doubles and puddas. Pudda, first things first, very technical drum term for playing a single and a double. Pudda, 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 right? All right, we have paradiddles, got paradiddle diddles, now we got the pudda. We're gonna do doubles and then puddas. Beat 3 of this thing is just 2 kicks, 2 hi-hats, 2 kicks again, and then you have the pudda, if you will, figure just between the snare. Right hand comes down to hit the snare drum. 2 unaccented snare drum notes. Right hand hits the hi-hat. 2 unaccented snare drum notes. Let's check it out. Obviously, we're going to take this thing much faster eventually. But still, we're in a learning phase, so step 3, just taking what we have and putting that together, still staying nice and slow. Now let's get creative. We're going to just revoice beats 3 and 4 to come up with a variation. So we're going to keep beats 1 and 2 the same. Going to take the sticking and keep it the same, right? We're just going to revoice it around the toms. So instead of the right hand playing, or sorry, the right and left hand playing between the snare drum and the hi-hat, it's going to play between the toms. And as promised, finally, step 5, a groove in the form of triplets. A lot of linear going on, a little bit of rudimental in there. We throw a little bit of different stuff in there, a little bit of flavoring, a little bit of seasoning, so that we can make it interesting. And some grooves you study because they're mean, nasty, awesome grooves, and some are more academic. This one I think is more of an academic one. As a matter of fact, the 3rd tempo that I take is pretty much, it's pretty fast. It's just for chops, right? Probably it sits nicely in between the 2nd and 3rd tempo that I'm about to demonstrate. So we're going to put this all together, right? We're going to take the first 2 bars the way we did it, and then we're going to go right into the second 2 bars with the variation to make a little longer phrase and to demonstrate how you can do that without having to change the sticking. Now here the whole thing is at 3 tempos. But first a question. I've been running a .com for a while that had additional drum lessons to the YouTube channel that I host here, but I'm thinking about changing it up. I'm curious, how many people out there would like to learn more of how to present drum lessons on YouTube rather than more drum lessons? Just curious. No wrong answer. Just want to know what everybody's thinking. Comment below. And if you'd like to develop superior hand technique, then click the link below this video to get Hands, my free ebook that contains the best 3 exercises to develop fast, clean drumming. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and check out one of these videos next.